Hey adventurers, welcome back to Outdoor Adventures with Doc. Today we're diving into an important part of camping stove maintenance, using a creosote sweeping log to keep your wood-burning stove safe and efficient. Whether you're out in the wild or enjoying a backyard adventure, this simple step can make a huge difference. So let's get started. If you've used a wood-burning stove before, then you know how creosote can quickly build up inside the walls of your stove or chimney pipe. Creosote is a flammable residue that forms from burning wood, and over time, it can reduce your stove's efficiency and even become a fire hazard. This handy little log contains chemicals that help break down creosote buildup while you burn it. It's easy to use and works great for regular stove maintenance. Start by clearing out any leftover ash or debris from the firebox. This ensures the log burns evenly and effectively. Once the stove is ready, place the creosote sweeping log inside, just like you would a regular piece of firewood. Light it according to the instructions on the packaging and let it burn completely. You'll notice that it burns a little bit differently than regular firewood. That's the chemicals at work breaking down the creosote deposits. After the log is finished burning, you'll notice the creosote buildup is softer and easier to clean. While the log does a great job of breaking down deposits, I recommend giving your stove a quick sweep with a brush to remove any remaining residue. And that's it. Using a creosote sweeping log is a quick and easy way to keep your wood-burning stove in top shape. Remember, regular maintenance is key to enjoying safe and cozy fires on your adventures.